So, enwere ihe nchọrọ ikwu. Unu afụ foto akịta. Foto akịta ị na-afụ na screen bụ foto eji wee na-adara gị Ebube Muonso. Enweghị ihe nchọpụta. And ọ bụrụ na if your mind is not enlarged enough, you will not see the bigger picture of what I am saying. The problem abụrụ Ebube Muonso. The problem is never Ebube Muonso. The problem is who contacted something. Catholics have never been against fasting. Catholics has never been against, miracle. Because the whole gospel, Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John, is all about miracle. In Jesus' name. Catholic on idea against miracle, we say now bread, ejinaka, bahu Jesu. N'ikwete na wine aṅụrụ aṅụ bụ ọbara. Is that not a miracle? Now, ewelu foto a wee na-adara gị Ebube Muonso si na no major the tradition of Catholics. No menka. Nekwa foto nke anụ nwaanyị ọzọ. Ịyakwa the same event nke ọzọ bụ nwaanyị, nke ọzọ bụ nwoke. Why foto nke nwoke anara trend? Ohi ya jụọ onwe gị, why the other one anara trend? Ọ bụrụ maka gịnị? Na-achọrọ push agenda, ha chọrọ push. Catholic Church has allowed ndị ọjọọ bata n'ime Catholic Church wee na-achọ itiwa Catholic Church ụzọ ịtọ. A na-achọ itiwa Catholic Church ụzọ ịtọ. One, those that believe in miracle, healing, signs and wonders. Two, ndị ka dị engraved, ndị ka dịkwa more gross into tradition Catholic Church. Three, ndị ọya bụ ime ihe na-adịrọ within the tradition ha believe in ya. They will come for you. This is actually what is happening today. Nke na-ewu kịta aka dị on board kịta na-enwere some group si na ekwesịghị na-eti olili niile. Ụfọdụ si na ya na-enye n'aka, ụfọdụ si na a lot of commotion in the Catholic Church today. Mana they are not seeing it. Ihe dị after ya onye me fasting, onye na mero fasting, onye bula amụma na onye na buru amụma. So you begin to see that the problem is not about Ebube Muonso. The problem about Ebube Muonso. The problem is who dealt with the devil so much that he started reacting. Ebube Muonso ebedisi ekonye about millions of naira to some father imagoka golonka that they cannot do anything again. He gave out millions of naira to them. News ebukwaria. The Catholic blogs and they criticize ya kete ebu okuya. Onyobona bankete. He came out to speak about bad government, spoke against insecurity, spoke against Ojije Jimaz and Nnamdi Kanu. Those people eburu quality. So it is not about Ebube Muonso. It is about who is making the kingdom of darkness cry more. And who will be tied unto you, that person now, that Ekwenso na abaime to criticize what God is doing now. Jesus emere n'oge nke ya, Jesus menka, Jesus menka ọzọ. Ọ bụrụ na Jesus nọ n'ụwa today, those miracle of iwele asọte na aja si nwoke tee mmadụ n'anya si ya je sachapụ, ayekwu okwu maka ya. The miracle of nwaanyị metụtara the woman with the issue of blood, ayekwu maka ya today. I say lie no mere eme. To the extent that na Jesus nke o ji wee bụrụ mmadụ, nke o ji ebulu chukwu n'ime mmadụ, his human flesh nearly failed him. He had the point that he have to cry out to say, Father, if this is your will, let this cup, this suffering pass me by. But he remembered or said, but nevertheless, your will be done. That was, he has seen the suffering ahead, so his human strength nearly failed him. So, in our journey, they criticize these reverend fathers. you are on your own. You are totally getting on your own. And in the men and who's eziokwu, there's been a I don't know what some of you need again by following it by. I don't know. Then it upon this video. Call the one.
Kichagum Kamama for any tangible reason why these people just drag Ebube Muonso. And I did not see any tangible reason why these people are dragging for the Ebube Muonso like small tiger generator. You know, I did not see any tangible reason why these people, including his fellow priest, or how myself we just drag here. Coming on social media for Casey attack for the crackers biscuit, I was like, maybe you can come. I said, ejikwe ade bura na agozi oriri na achicha ada Zion ada hype breast. You know, sometimes I said one thing ejikwe de St. Peter ejikwe we doge one card. Sometimes when I look into all these things, I will always think, why are we like this? Ụfọdụ asị ekwesị ọka nwaanyị na-eme whatever ejikwa ekwu onye oge wa ale disrespect all those things. We know where it's coming from, because Father Ebube is not the first person that is doing something like this. You see all these things right from day one. Father Ebube Muonso has been a target, simple because he was associating, or he is associating with Evangelist Ebuka. That is the reason why they make him a target. You are not telling me anything. A lot of people have been looking for a way. Oh, may you know, six fellow priests and other people not out there. They have been looking for a way. Oga Zokai. Kaha doya onesi ado Evangelist Ebuka. We has now one you ojikwe menka or the basic Jesus Christ for singing the by fasting. That is what his fellow priests are telling Evangelist Ebuka and others. It's not by fasting, it's not by 100 days fasting. Papa they make his 90 days. I believe they are on the verge of closing it. Sometimes I do watch them here on my YouTube. I follow their night vigil. You know, all these people they adore for the Ebube Muonso. Na aboho no na associated with it. Apple, even na just maybe today we know all their strategy and how they do their things. Para Philip today, one thing I like about the Ebube Muonso is that una go talk tire. Una go talk tire, and he will be doing his thing. Obununu gama, everybody have his own calling. What stop you from focusing on that particular odi name if you know get one name of Populio? Populio don a father. Why can't you focus on that one in a that pattern in a if he did not go a must you guys always try to bring fight into this? I go leave this Catholic church for now. Must you guys always try to bring fight into church, especially Catholic church Nanki Bazua? You have a lot of things. Now I government in society. We need to focus more on. I need to touch you na. I need me ona. Request me ona. I need to see you na. Nya oka ozi ebe abata nọrọ ka ebe a na-akụza nọrọ ka ebe mmadụ nwụrụ. Ihu n'ucho ka ụka atọ n'ụka abata nọrọ ka ebe a na-akụza everywhere dị na-eme ya like no. O kwesịrị ịdị life free. blessed like achịcha na-agọzi a na-etu Jesus Christ afa everywhere a na-esheki people are not that anointed ihe ebube a na-eme kịda sị mba ekwesịghị ime ya like this ekwesịghị ime ya like this ejikwesị oge nwa ejikwesị 1908 na this 2026 na onye ọ na-esfada Ebube Muonso na-adọ ya na-atị ya ka crackers biscuit ka unu tarikọọ ya simply because of unnecessary jealousy anyị kwuru ekwuru. You can't even focus on that one if you know go and meti ofuma populio. You guys cannot even focus. Onye akuzie ogo onu na apụta na-achọ mmadụ okwu n'ọnụ. Onye akuzie ọbụ na ekwu na. The earlier of you stop all this unnecessary fighting Latino, especially Catholic Church, the better for everybody. Because time shall come if care is not taken. Unu batata toka unu agafudo ofu onye unu ga-agoziri achịcha ahụ oriri ahụ ime ya ona ahụ isuku eme ya oge nwa ona ahụ unu feel no na a na-eme ya na-emeta if there is not again time shall come when unu ga-abata ụka unu agaghị afụ people to do it that way because the world is moving and the earlier we try to meet up the better if not nwanne ọ na-eme nke ọ naghị eme nke ndị mgbe